The Tribesigns 47-inch farmhouse console table brings a compact industrial farmhouse aesthetic to hallways and entryways with a 47 length, open shelving for display and storage, and a mixed material look that pairs wooden shelving with a metal frame. Product specs emphasize the 47 width that fits most entryways and behind sofas, a durable metal frame for structural support, and a finish that aims to look like reclaimed wood for a lived-in farmhouse feel. Customers frequently rate Tribesigns consoles positively for their quality-for-price ratio. Reviewers appreciate the heavy-duty metal base that reduces wobble compared with cheaper wood-only consoles, the attractive finishes that look more expensive than the price suggests, and the practical shelf spacing that accommodates baskets or taller decor pieces. Assembly is usually straightforward if you follow the instructions and sort hardware before beginning. A few buyers note that some touch-up or careful tightening is useful to avoid unevenness. For entryway styling, the Tribesigns 47 console is often recommended by reviewers who want a balance of industrial strength and farmhouse charm without committing to fully bespoke furniture. We share by links in description box.